Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the Cloud SDK and confirming Gcloud version so you know you have the correct release. Once installed, run Gcloud init to authenticate, pick the Google account, select the project, and set a default region and zone. This saves typing later. If you use automation, create a service account and download the JSON key, then run Gcloud auth activate service account key file equals KEY. JSON. Make sure to verify account and project with Gcloud config list before moving on. You now deploy resources. Choose the right Gcloud surface such as compute instances, run services, or functions. Specify the project and location flags. Gcloud compute instances create name zone equals zone or Gcloud run deploy service region equals region because explicit flags avoid ambiguity. Once done, include labels and machine types to control cost and performance. For repeatable workflows, script commands with and add quiet in CI. If you want to preview changes, use dry run or set verbosity equals debug to inspect API payloads before committing. You finish by validating that resources are running and configured. List instances, describe services, and check endpoints. Once done, inspect logs with Gcloud logging read or Gcloud functions logs read to verify runtime behavior. Make sure APIs are enabled and IAM roles grant required permissions. If something goes wrong, rerun the failing command with verbosity equals debug to see request and response details. Check operations with Gcloud operations list and confirm service account keys and quotas. Addressing IAM and API enablement resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.